Good morning, students. I hope that you are staying home and you are safe. Today, I am going to teach you class 7 science. The topic is nutrition in plants. Nutrition in plants. Students, all we know that all living organisms need food to stay alive and do lots of various activities which are do by every organism in their daily life. Also, you know that food help us in many ways, like help us to grow well, repair our cells, tissues, and become fit and healthy. Food such as fruits, green vegetables protect us from the diseases or fight against diseases. In the food, there are some components like carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals, protein. What are these? These are the nutrition. These are the components of nutrition which are present in the food. So, what is nutrition? The word which is come out is nutrition. Nutrition, the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization, the body of the organism is called nutrition. The mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body of an organism is called nutrition. Is called nutrition. The mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body of an organism is called nutrition. Now we are discuss about modes of nutrition. We know that mainly there are two kinds of modes of nutrition: autotrophic modes of nutrition and heterotrophic modes of nutrition. What is modes of nutrition? The method or the process, the method of obtaining food are called modes of nutrition. The method of obtaining food are called modes of nutrition. Now we are discuss about their modes. There are two types of modes of nutrition. Number first one is autotrophic modes of nutrition and second one is heterotrophic modes of nutrition. There are autotrophic, the word which is come by the two words, auto and trophic. Trops. Auto means what? Auto means self, and drops means nourishment. Auto means self and drop means nourishment. Now we can say that the word which is come, that means autotrophic, is joined by two words, self-nourishment. Now we have discussed about the heterotrophic modes of nutrition. Hetero means other, and tropos means nourishment. That means the heterotrophic come from two words, hetero and tropos. Hetero means other and tropos means nourishment. Now we have discussed about autotrophic. Autotrophic, that means those who make their own food by a simple substances like carbon dioxide, water, sunlight. These are called autotrophs mode of nutrition. They prepare their own food and make their own food. Some of the bacteria also make their own food. All the green plants, those who trap the sunlight and make their food, they belongs to these autotrophic modes of nutrition. And second one is heterotrophic modes of nutrition, means they are consumer. They are not make their own food. They are depend on plants directly or indirectly. Thank you. In the next class, we are discuss about the photosynthesis and their components.